The 2 Tires Guide to the Dunlop D908RR. Developed specifically for cross-country events, in many ways it's amazing to think that the 908s are road legal, but they are. So if you're after an extreme knobbly for your Tenere 700 or Desert X, these are worth considering. While these are road legal, they're not an ideal road fitment, but they will get you between stages or to the start of your enduro. They're only available with a 21-inch front fitment, so if you have a 19-inch front, check out the Raid. The 908s need tubes and have been developed to excel in dry and rocky conditions, but they'll handle the wet and slippery stuff too. Another great feature of these tires is their durability. You can expect well in excess of 5,000 miles from the rear on the road. Just don't go giving them a big handful from cold on tarmac, or you might end up off-road faster than you intended. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.